It says two forces act on a 5 kilogram object sitting on a frictionless horizontal surface. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write that down. So I have a 5 kilogram object, and that's sitting on a frictionless surface. Let's read the rest of it. It says that a force of 30 newtons is applied in the positive x direction. So there's my positive x direction, and I'm going to say 30 newtons of force. And then 35 newtons is applied in the negative x direction. What is the acceleration of the object? And so if I look at this stuff, if I look at this, what is the acceleration? Well, first of all, I need to know the net force. So can somebody help me figure out what the net force is? Yes?
Well, you take 35 minus 30 and you get 5, the difference between 2.
Okay, so technically this force here is a positive 30 newtons, and this force here is a negative 35 newtons. So if I have a positive 30 newtons minus 35 newtons, I have a net force of negative 5 newtons. Now the negative just means that we're going in the negative direction to the left, right? And positive means we're going to the right. Now we want to find the acceleration, so we said that the force of an object, is the mass times the acceleration. If I wanted to find the acceleration, how would I do that? I take the force and divide by the mass, and that gives me the acceleration, correct?
Yeah.
So then that would be negative 5 newtons divided by the mass, which is 5 kilograms. So my acceleration would then be negative 1 meters per second squared. In which direction? This direction. See how that works? Any questions on that? Pretty good.